Hello, welcome to another video. So I have cats and I've been making collars for them recently, and I wanted to share how I make my collars with you guys because I enjoy making my collars. So first of all, we're gonna measure around the throat of the cat with a measuring tape. And once we get that, we're going to take our chosen fabric, and on one of the sides that has flatness, we're doing this on the right side. We don't turn it inside out. We're going to measure the length. Okay, 9 1/4. Mark that with chalk. And then add, and then I turned that into 10 and put another mark because buttonholes. So we have a mark here, a mark there, and a mark there. And so now we want the length of the, the width of the collar to stay the same. So we're gonna put this at 1.5 inches along, and we're going to mark because we're gonna fold this in half. And so half of the width of this right now will be the width of your collar in the end. Like, I've made several of these, and so you just kind of go along. Okay, now we're done with that part. And we're going to take our fabric scissors and we are going to cut this out. Let me just move that so I can get it at a better length. Not length, viewpoint, and we're just going to cut along. This is really cute fabric. I really like it, and it feels nice. Okay, so now we have the collar-ish. Not done yet. So we're gonna take some pins and we're going to fold this in half like that. So fold that in half like that, and gonna go along, make sure it's lined up. Take a pin. My pins are old, so they're sort of bent, so don't mind that, and pin along. Really just kind of pin away. This part's fun because you get to stab things more recklessly. Ah, there. And now we have that part done. This is like the width. Okay, so I made one, but then I realized I did the wrong size, and so this is what it will end up kind of looking like. This was I actually made it 7 instead of 8 inches round with a button. Well, don't mind the loose threads. I didn't bother to totally finish it. Buttonhole and button, and it's really cute, right? So these are how the cat collars will turn out. So I'm going to take a nice blue thread because blue is pretty and this cat's name is Pandalina. Gonna snip that. And we're just going to get like an arm's length, not an arm's length, a left nipple to right fingertip length. And we're just gonna snip that. So now we just thread that on. Whoa. I'm assuming you guys can probably look up videos how to sew buttons onto things. Never mind, I'll go into detail, but when I'm done. And so you just start, hard S's are hard for me. I'm having a bad word day. I mean, I'm not swearing today, I'm just having a hard time speaking. I don't know why I decided to do a video. So, tie that. Take your thread and go there. This is called pillow stitch, I believe. And I'm hoping you understand the pillow stitch. You guys can probably go look up a video of how to do pillow stitch, because I don't really know how to explain it. So you're just going to do that around the whole thing, and I'll be back when I'm done with that part. Goodbye. So I forgot to film the part where I did the button, but basically I sewed one button on and I cut a little slit as the buttonhole, and you just want to make sure that works, and then you can just button it up. And the safety thing is the fact that I'm not too good of a sewer. So thank you and goodbye.